Hey everyone, today we are embarking on a deep dive into the intricacies of ChatGPT-4 by OpenAI. Get ready to join me as we explore its functionality step by step. ChatGPT-4 represents the cutting edge in large language models, and in this tutorial, we will unravel its capabilities, understand its nuances, and master the art of effective interaction. Whether you are a seasoned user or just starting your journey with language models, this guide is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate ChatGPT-4 seamlessly. We will cover a range of topics, including crafting prompts that yield optimal responses, understanding the model's strengths, and exploring creative applications. So fasten your seatbelts, fellow learners, as we embark on this enlightening journey. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let us dive into the deep world of ChatGPT together. We will unlock the full potential of this remarkable language model. Ready? Let's get started. Step number 1. Sign up and log into OpenAI. Embark on your transformative ChatGPT-4 journey by immersing yourself in the digital realms of OpenAI.com, the gateway to realm where language meets innovation. If you find yourself standing at the threshold of this linguistic adventure as a newcomer, fear not, I'll be your guide through these initiation rites, demonstrating the sign-up process with a careful hand. For our esteemed existing users, join me as we breeze through the familiar landscape of straightforward login steps. Once you have successfully crossed the portal, you will find yourself within the expansive universe of possibilities. Take a mindful pause to navigate through the various model options available, each a testament to OpenAI's commitment to excellence. Among this impressive lineup, our focus beckons us toward the epitome of linguistic prowess, ChatGPT-4. This journey is not just about gaining access, it is a collaborative venture. Together, we will navigate the intricate terrains of the OpenAI platform, ensuring that you, as an explorer of language models, are not only equipped but empowered to harness the unparalleled capabilities of ChatGPT-4. Whether you stand on the shores of curiosity as a newcomer eager to explore or as a seasoned navigator seeking to chart the uncharted waters of the latest model, this step-by-step guide will serve you as your compass, ensuring that you make the most of every nuanced facet of your ChatGPT-4 experience. Step number 2. Initiate your first interaction. With the OpenAI platform open, your digital landscape is adorned with a plethora of previous chats, a testament to the myriad interactions and inquiries you have explored. Yet, the journey continues. To initiate a novel dialogue in this evolving tapestry, the path is clear. Simply click on the New Chat button, your portal to fresh and uncharted conversational territories. As we embark on this exploration, let us consider this as more than a mere initiation of a conversation. It's a gateway to testing and comprehending the intricacies of the ChatGPT-4 model, a linguistic marvel created by OpenAI. Pose questions like, what is 4 plus 4? And observe with intrigue as the model's contextual understanding unfolds before your eyes. This preliminary test serves as the foundation upon which we will construct a nuanced understanding, evolving our interactions as we progress through this tutorial. In this phase, our focus is on revealing the model's response to straightforward questions, a strategic approach to gauge its fundamental understanding and responsiveness. As we navigate through the tutorial's subsequent segments, our journey will not only traverse the terrain of refining prompts but also delve into the realms of more intricate and sophisticated interactions. We will explore the model's capacity for nuanced understanding, creative expression, and contextual coherence, unlocking its full potential for engaging and insightful dialogue. So as you initiate your new chat and witness the ChatGPT-4 model in action, envision it as the inception of a dynamic conversational odyssey. Step number 3. Efficient chat management. Simplify and optimize your ChatGPT-4 experience by mastering effective chat management, a crucial skill that can significantly enhance your interactions with this powerful language model. Initiating a new conversation is a breeze. Simply navigate to the user-friendly interface and click on the New Chat button to embark on a fresh, engaging interaction with ChatGPT-4. As you delve into the world of conversational exploration, you may find yourself accumulating various chats. Fear not, for efficient chat management is here to rescue you from potential clutter. If you ever feel the need to tidy up and remove an old conversation, take advantage of the convenient delete button at your disposal. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to maintain a well-organized chat environment, ensuring that your ongoing and future interactions remain focused and easy to navigate. Consider this chat management process as the digital equivalent of maintaining a tidy workspace. Much like a clutter-free desk fosters productivity and a clear mind, an organized chat environment enhances the overall efficiency of your interactions with ChatGPT-4. It allows you to focus on the essence of your conversations, whether you are seeking information, brainstorming ideas, or simply engaging in a creative dialogue. In the forthcoming segments of this tutorial series, we will not only explore the practicalities of managing chats effectively, but also delve into the advanced strategies to personalize and customize your chat environment. Step number 4. Grasp tokens and usage understanding. Tokens, the fundamental building blocks of ChatGPT-4 processing power, play a pivotal role in shaping the interactions with this powerful language model. Diving into the comprehensive documentation is an excellent starting point to gain a thorough understanding of the intricate world of tokens. It provides valuable insights into how tokens are counted, the constraints they impose, and how to effectively manage them during your interactions. As you embark on your ChatGPT-4 journey, keeping a vigilant eye on your token usage becomes crucial for optimizing your experience. The Manage Account section in your account settings serves as your command center for monitoring token consumption. Here, you will find detailed information on how many tokens have been utilized, helping you gauge the extent of your current interaction. Now, let us talk about strategy. If you find yourself approaching the limits of your free token allocation, fear not. Explore the option of adding billing to your account. This not only extends your token quota, but also broadens the scope of your interactions with ChatGPT-4, allowing you to delve into more complex and extended dialogues. Congratulations, Adept Explorer! You have admirably navigated the intricate pathways of this comprehensive guide, gaining valuable insights and honing your skills in mastering the remarkable ChatGPT-4. As you stand at the culmination of this tutorial, brimming with newfound knowledge and proficiency, the possibilities that lie ahead are as vast as the linguistic landscapes we have traversed together. If this tutorial has proven to be a valuable companion on your journey to mastering ChatGPT-4, express your appreciation and support by engaging in a few simple gestures. A like serves as a virtual nod, acknowledging the effort and information shared. Sharing this guide with your fellow explorers extends the knowledge, fostering a collaborative community of language enthusiasts. And of course, subscribing ensures that you stay at the forefront of the latest tutorials where we will delve even deeper into the myriad possibilities and intricacies that ChatGPT-4 has to offer. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master prompt engineering, a step-by-step guide for optimal ChatGPT interactions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.